Have you ever dreamed of having a space that combines fitness, relaxation, and fun all in your own backyard? That's exactly what a swim spa can offer. Let's talk about the amazing benefits of having a swim spa and why it might be the perfect addition to your home. Swim spas are designed for low-impact exercise, making them ideal for swimming, water aerobics, or resistance training. The adjustable water currents let you tailor the intensity to your needs, whether you're an athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey. Swim spas also come equipped with therapeutic jets that deliver soothing hydrotherapy. These jets help relieve muscle tension, reduce stress, and improve circulation, giving you a spa-like experience every day. But it's not just about fitness and relaxation. Swim spas are great for bringing people together. Whether it's a family gathering, hosting friends, or spending a quiet evening with loved ones, a swim spa creates a space for connection and quality time. Another great benefit is that swim spas are space-saving and energy efficient. Unlike traditional pools, they fit perfectly in smaller backyards and consume less energy, making them an eco-friendly option for your home. Adding a swim spa to your home isn't just about luxury. It's about improving your health, your lifestyle, and your happiness. If you've been considering transforming your backyard into a personal retreat, a swim spa might be the perfect choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. See you next time.